These are the Java chip Oreos. Was walking around Walmart, happened to stumble upon these, and had to try them. So let's test out the Java chip Oreos. So these have been opened before, but I haven't tried one yet. So this is a full initial taste test. So they look like normal Oreos, but they are a bit well, I mean, obviously they're not normal Oreos. They look like the chocolate Oreos, but they are actually a bit lighter brown, more like a coffee color. And they do have little chunks, like it's almost like a Java chip actually in the cream. So that's interesting. Normally I'd eat these with milk, but for taste test purposes, I'll just go dry on the cookie. So let's try it here. Definitely smells like coffee. Yeah, it definitely smells like coffee and a little chocolatey, but mostly the scent is coffee. Okay. So it's good. I feel like I went a little review brow there and really took my time, but it's good. I think it's exactly what you'd expect it to be. You definitely taste the chocolate more when you eat the Oreo, when you have the chocolate cookie. But it's got a good coffee flavor. It mixes well with the chocolate when you're just eating the cookie straight up. It really does. It's got a good balance between the chocolate, the coffee flavored cream, and the chocolate down here. I would just call these coffee Oreos. I don't know. I wouldn't know that they were Java chip, but they are really good. If you like coffee and Oreos, I think you'll like these. So you can see a little bit. They do have some like Java chips in there, but I couldn't taste that. So I'll just try the cream now by itself. That's interesting. The cream by itself, the coffee flavor almost comes really at the end. It's not super strong. It tastes almost stronger when you're eating the whole cookie for some reason. Maybe that's because of the smell somehow. But I could definitely taste crunches when I was just having the cream. So you can taste those chips, those Java chips in there when you're just having the cream by itself. And then, yeah, just confirming this is a totally normal Oreo cookie on the outside. That's good though. If you like Oreos and coffee, you're gonna like these. They're not amazing. I wouldn't say they're the best Oreo in the world. And I prefer double stuffed. That's not quite enough filling to cookie ratio for me. And I don't think they sell these in double stuff. But they're worth a try if you see them. I wouldn't go out of your way to find these, but not bad. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. For real, not very good.